to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another meal plan for maximum weight loss. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do these, so I'm trying to get back into it. And obviously, like, summer's coming up, so I know a lot of you are getting on your grind with your health and fitness game. As always, all the calories, macros, and recipes will be down in the description box for you guys. Just keep in mind, depending on your activity level, your size, your shape, your height, your weight, all those things, you might need more calories, you might need less calories. This is just to give you guys ideas of how to incorporate more whole plant foods into your diet to bump up your nutrition game and also to get more healthy plant foods into you, which are going to give you more satiety, make you feel more full, and that is going to help you lose weight and keep it off in the long term. Alrighty, getting into the food, the first thing we're going to make is this smoothie bowl. So we're going to need 3 frozen bananas and about 2 cups of frozen berries. This is like a frozen berry mango mix that I had, and a little bit of water, so about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of water at the most. Here's the tip with this. You want to add your water to your Vitamix first, and then add your fruit. Let your fruit sit in there for 5 minutes or so to defrost a little bit, and it's going to help it blend so much better. If you want a really thick smoothie bowl, you need to stop adding so much water into your smoothie bowl and just let it defrost a little bit, and then you get this super smooth, thick consistency. So we're just going to put that into a bowl. And then really you can top this with whatever you like. I had some dragon fruit sitting around, so I put that in there. I tried to make little balls, that didn't work. And then I put some fresh mango on top. I also put some coconut flakes on there as well, and a little bit of the Go Raw cinnamon apple granola. It's just like a raw vegan granola that I really like. And if you want a little bit of protein, you can always add protein powder to this as well, but we can put some peanut butter on top. It's my favorite smoothie bowl topping. It's just so good. Next, we're going to make this really delicious light salad bowl. The first thing we're going to need is some cooked quinoa. So what I like to do is I put a cup of quinoa in my Instant Pot, and then I add a cup of water and I cook it for 1 minute on sealed manual pressure. Let it steam release by itself, and you get perfectly cooked quinoa every time. So we're going to add some Italian herbs to this. I think there's just like basil, rosemary. You can really add whatever you like into it. And then we also have some nutritional yeast, a little bit of garlic powder, and we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, which is just going to like help the seasoning stick to it and then also give it a little bit of salty flavor. For the salad, we're going to need 3 to 4 cups of spring greens, half an avocado that we have scored, and we're just going to put that on top. And then I have about 1/5 or 1/6 of a lemon here, some garlic powder, and we're also going to add coconut aminos into this as well, which just helps, again, everything like stick together. Just take your hands and massage the avocado into the salad. This is like the best salad dressing ever because you get chunks of the avocado, but then it's also like just covered in avocado. It's so good. Add your quinoa onto the side. And then you can top this with whatever kind of veggies you like. I use cucumber, diced onion, and some diced tomato, and that's it. If you get hungry during the day, I always recommend just snacking on fruit. Fruit is the best snack you can have. It's hydrating, it's full of enzymes, full of minerals, full of nutrients. And there's a saying that if you're not hungry enough to eat an apple, you're probably not hungry. I know mangoes are super delicious, but just snack on some fruit. For dinner, we're gonna make the most popular recipe I've ever made, and it's wild rice soup. This is super easy to make. We're just gonna put our Instant Pot on saute, or you can do this on your stovetop as well. Add some onion, garlic. I really like to saute things in tamari instead of using oil or water. It gives it a really good like umami flavor. So we're just gonna saute that until it's nice and fragrant, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then into our Instant Pot, we're going to add some chopped sweet potato, chopped russet potato, and kale. We're also going to add 1 cup of wild rice blend, some more Italian seasoning, and some water. And then we're just going to cook that on high pressure for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to add into our Vitamix a half a cup of cashews, 2 to 3 tablespoons of miso, some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar and some water. And then just blend this up until it's super smooth. Then once our soup is done, all we're gonna do is take our cashew cream that we made and pour it into there. And you guys, this is the most delicious soup ever. You can add a little bit of extra salt if you need to, or some black pepper on top is really good. It's just so good, and I know you guys will really enjoy it.